Moga somi yo mwancho muligerelia bwegeta seni kya Ndizi TV chingaki chingiango kwaregania eliotumirane asemesa ya mangana Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere cyabano mubaso chitarikine 25 mutenyino yo 5 na 3 omwaka w'ekiri w'Ibere na 22 neli nelituko lya Jumapili nyegenetenga mbuyaligenderete gukoira weikachingaki cyabono iga nyora lituko lya nkyo chitarike 29 omutinyo yo iga nige kyombe ky'abacholi nechimbebe IEBC kyanyareko bage korobelia abacholi boli bwatenenete ase constituency gosechi constituency chirenye gati yabo nkoru Rongai Kacheliba Pokoti West amo na Kitui Ruro abo asobe kerogo kyobo governor ase county ya Kakamega ne county ya Mombasa abacholi obwo bagokoreka litukulya ankyo ekere kyombe kyo kyabekire merobelyo yonsi eliaba menyi korwa ase chinsemecho banyare kwenyorera abarai ekero chinsemo chinyinge chenyoreire abarai weika bono ayo ngati yali na kwareganere ase chinse chiga tuchoko yanyora senchira yoboikirano asibali mogotobwatya wetera se mitandao tonyole Ndizi TV News asensemo ya YouTube na boigo Ndizi TV News Digital abone nsemo ya Facebook na endekero bwata chinga kinabogo tweet @Ndizi TV News osotome karangalkiao wetera se namba yesimi eyuere ase TV yao nkoira nanda segeke kekerebosyo egera nkumenyenga nara lyaya ara se chinse chiga Njeni gonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita no lya tokobwatera na komo asensemo yebimanyerelyo nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta tigato yo chake korwa se county ya Kisii ase skuru yabamura ya Kisii School abwase ababisa korwa se kyombe kyogotuka chimbwa chingi ya EACC kobwaterana amone wizara yechisemi bachakiri umurobelyo bwokorwa maigelyo wachiasaba orokigwa bunana kibagwenerete gukina babwate chimbwa chingia nenenda kibaranya go chakorwania obokurumi chinga kibara ababarai ase chinga kichirebosyo naboyigo ko baba Kenya babwate chimbwa chingia ababisabo nigo bachakirie umurobelyo yo asorgongorwa South Nyanza abwase county ya Kisii county ya Nyamira county ya Migori county ya Homa Bay chiregatie chi county chiri chigo chagokonyeka korwase umurobelyo yo unakwenekia omobisa korwase kyombe kia EACC Vincent Okongwo.
My name is Vincent Okongwo, Director Preventive Services, EACC Nairobi. With me is Mr. Otiko, who is the Deputy Director in charge of the South Nyanza Regional Office. Today is a very important occasion in the school calendar and indeed the fight against corruption and promotion of integrity in our country. The EACC, in collaboration with the Ministry of Education, has a program of integrity clubs which are set up across all primary and secondary schools in this country. The main objective of integrity clubs is to develop good character among our young people and to promote them and to promote integrity, not only among the young people but also in schools. So today we have a forum that brings together a number of schools in Kisii County, Migori County, Homa Bay and Nyamira. And the intention is for the Integrity Club members who are students and also their patrons to share experiences on how they are managing these integrity clubs, what measures have they taken to promote integrity in schools, and what challenges are they facing, which we can address as the EACC and also as a school managers in this part of the region. We will be replicating this kind of a forum across the country to ensure that all schools in our country are able to share best practices in nurturing integrity and character development among our people, our young people.
Magega yogotiani wa lituko lya Alamisi goswabi sibuna baraya bayabe county ya Kisii omokonyi bwo mugavana ase county yo Dr. Robert Monda niga chakire gasia ebene ase chiro ya Keumbu abwasa bwateranire n'ababwatani bande asogo chena na korusia eubi eyue chandete abaonchorya n'abamenyi korwa sensemeyo ya Keumbu eyanenchere yamo yogukinya ebirengo byo bachenu ase chichiro chonsi ase county ya Kisii.
campaigns, we have been going around the county, and we have found that most or all our urban centers have a challenge, have a problem of accumulated waste from our farm produce, waste that is supposed to be cleared out of the urban centers, and this has remained a challenge in many towns. But this morning I decided as a deputy governor to start my first day of working this Sunday morning, that I will have to stand here and ensure that Keumbu market has no waste dump remaining here, decomposing with all the smell. Yet our traders are working here every day. We have started here, and we must clean all our urban centers. This one will be cleaned by the end of the day. So we shall be happy when it is done. We are sad that our people have remained in this kind of situation over the many days that this waste has remained here without attention.
Nigo boigo monda anyariko baga kurwege kurege tindi gocha saba koli mirimo be county bali batakore gasi yabo buni babwenerete nigo barache kwimukerwa egetambo kirege tindi abo asatebire oborai inse yae amono mu governor Paul Simbarati noko eneke buna amonchorelio arorekanire asegeka kimya ketano eribosio nigo boiga menta goteba buna ogochenwa gwechichiro chinde ase county ya Kisii nkogenderere eliogokinie birengo byobochenu.
People who are officials with different assignments in the entire county. If you are a doctor, be on your job, treat patients. If you are the one in charge of providing drugs in the hospital, we want drugs in the hospital. And if you are in charge of providing water, let's have water. And so we have different departments giving different types of services. Tie of Gusi. We are doing this today in Keumbu. We shall be in all the urban centers in the days to come. Today we are here, tomorrow we shall be somewhere. I know the governor, Honorable Simbarati, was in Kisii the day before yesterday, which is Friday, and he was touring and seeing what is going on. We are not about to stop. We shall be doing this for the next 5 years. So everyone must be alert. Our staff in the county, my call to you, please do your duties. If you have an assignment of ensuring cleanliness in whichever part of this county, do it. There are many people who do it when you don't. And when the governor or the deputy comes to do it, then you know you are surrendering your job. We look for somebody else who is willing to do what you can't do. Make the loudest noise about whoever is hindering you from doing your job. We shall keep our offices open. Someone who does not work, please start working if you have not been working.
Chingaki echo nere Wilfred Bosire oyoro Munyakonda ase county ya Kisii nigaire okoboko emeremo ya ye Dr. Monda abwasa bolira abamenyi korwa ase chiro ya Keumbu kogenderera kwenekia obochenu ase nginchobone chire yo yarabire ase egose chire yo yarabire magega yababwatani wesokia na koyechena
obyo bikoranje kurera karo cyumbe usibigwa anyago cyabororo ubwato obeka hamo nande obeka asage borusiwe umweshimu ba David Governor ateba nga kirarituko bari bakora mu Mose County ba make sure kurera mu cyuno ko murabu utya ko murabu na bari mukora temisimo ko ne chimbane mwatikanka.
Mwaziri bwechisemi Professor George Magoha nigobona atebire oseniga sukire bosio chitariki chiri aborokigwa bali ase grade kya gatano na limo baguchagoswa grade kya gatano na kabere ose junior secondary niga sukire chitariki echibosio echichatakeira koera chitariki 30 cyumutinyoyo ase kurenda mentire amatukande 10 goika chitariki 10 chomotenyo kianda ekera boroki wa bonsi baratoke buna bachorire chisukuru chiri baguche gosoa ase ogosoa ase nsemo ya junior secondary nigaya kwaneta ya litkuri igoro ase county ya Kiambu chinga kiatarete ase skuru yamo kerari kuigura ebirasi ebiya bya CBC chinga kiecho na ireteri bagaria bene na kuburia borokia abanene ase chiskuru ao imense ya Kenya otiga goseria boroki gwa chibesa che school fees ase ngenchate bira baibulia bange nigo bamenyete obugima obokong kigima.
If they have serious issues, I have officers in the ground up to the sub-county level who have been instructed to go ahead and assist them. But from what we have seen, they are not doing very badly. Name of God, let us carry the poor among us together with us and ensure that their children are not disadvantaged at this particular time. IRD in Western does not get the children back to school. I will ask the police to take them back to school. The school is a government school. You have no right to take children home over the weekend. When they have lost so much time, they didn't even eat when they lost the 2 weeks. Hiyo pesa unataka kupeleka wapi? What do you want to, what have you done with the 2 weeks that the children are not eating at school?
Ekiombe kyobachori ne chimbebe IEBC nigobono keikiranire meroberio yonsi asogo chawikirania obochori ase ensemo ya gosasogo chawikirania obochori ase chinsemo ao ali asobochori botaikiranete ase county ya Nakuru ase bunge ya Rongai nigo abobisa bali baguchakora obochori obo banyoreta maigerio litukuri igoro na ndenganki baguchakokora ase lituko lya ankyo gati chibunge chinde ngamona Kacheliba West Pokot amona Kitui Rural abo ase kiombekyo gyatebire goikabono keikiranire meroberio yonsi ende nigo baganyete aba kichikura weso kya sobunge litkolya ankyo eliogochora ababunge babo
them on their conduct on 29th of August 2022. We're also reminding them on what is expected of them. It is just a mini GE training that was conducted the last general election during briefs, but now we are just giving them the highlights on how to conduct themselves and also small briefs on the nature of work they are going to do.
Na bateneneri boigo kurwase kiombekyo bachori ne chimbebe IEBC ase county ya Mombasa bono nigo barure okoboria gochia sabana siasa bali baroberete gochia goswanana no bachori bwa ankyo tibaba isa gotema no nyandimo ase ngencho nigo ababwatani kurwase ensemo yoborendi osabanya nyimbo batumirwa sensemeyo eligocha kwenekia buna bachori bwekerugo kyobo governor se county yo ngocha kubolego koleka asenchira yomolembe no batoereru nigo boigo babulira bamenyi kurwa sensemeyo wesokia litkolya ankyo eliogwechorera omo governor ase county ya Mombasa aya niga kwane tweli tukule igoro amono mo county returning officer kurwa se county ya Mombasa Swalha Yusuf.
Ningewarai wanasiasa, ma-agent, ma-candidates wote wahakikishe kuwa hii kura itakayofanyika tarehe 29 iko peaceful, kuhakikisha kuwa hawataleta fujo katika vituo, hawatapigana katika vituo, kila mtu yajua jukumu lake. A security team have also ensured that they get enough security personnel even from outside this county to ensure that the process is
Emiaka 12 ya etire kurwase gosegogesa ense ya Kenya enyorera ekatibenya kuru mwaka bwechiri Ibere na 10 litukole igoro nigense ya Kenya ya chengerete miaka 12 kurwa ense ya Kenya enyorera ekatibenya abwasebona bamanyi beli chiko na bali kurwase kyombekia Law Society of Kenya LSK besogetie na kobolya serikali gochegoswa asuburai kwenekia bune meroberio yonsi bagokora mbachegokora bakwenekia buna babwatire lichiko lie katiba gati yabamanyi belichiko mbakwanetenga na ki Kenya yasukirobosyo kuru mwaka o 2010 weiko mwaka bwechiri Ibere na merongo ebere nebere bakola wanomo wakili Charles Kanjama.
The constitution has been implemented fairly effectively. Where we are in 2022 is very far from where we were in 2010. Public interest. There are times when in the judiciary you may have corruption, and a Judicial Service Commission is involved in discipline of judges and their processes get stalled.
Make the law under as the legislator, it is put to scrutiny. The executive signs the law which is ambiguous, the court will put scrutiny to it.
Nensemo yabamenyi korwase bunge ya Ugenya bono nigo bagendrete okorobekana abwase ba muganirie omobunge obo omochore korwase nsemeyo David Ochieng korusigwa gosekurwa etiketi yae yokoe walibagelio korwa asensemeyo eyemagega ya Ochieng konganya korwa sobo mobwa zimiola moja One Kenya na goswa asobo mobwa Kenya kwanza litikolia Ijuma abwasa areganiwa no mokonyi bumuraibwense gosomuraibwense omochore Dr. William Ruto kolengana nabamenyi abo nigo batebire buna okuno kogenda mamincha yokoigwana asobo mobwa zimiola moja na igo nigo baganetie kiombe kyobochori ne chimbebe IEBC otuguterare obobwi bwaye nigo bachete goika ase chiabisi chia CDF asensemeyo na gotagora chitirisa na boigo gosalia emirangu ne chidirisha chichigari ase ensemeyo goika baigurwe ebirero byabo.
People of Ugenya, we've voted for Raila Amolo Odinga as the president of Kenya. We do not recognize in any way any association with the one thief William Ruto.
The case that has been taken to the Supreme Court should also be replicated in Ugenya, because this is a sign that Ochieng did not win genuinely. One, my point is, we can affirm this by saying that if all MCAs in Ugenya, the 4 MCAs in 4 different wards, were elected in ODM party, how did Ochieng win without an MCA in Ugenya?
Nara yu asebono mwanchu muligeria kurende na ende tomo chakoba ime ya Ndizi TV ayo mono yanda mange ngochialiko gochera chikoraga chinsa 10 chiabono mogoroba mbiamono asebali moire chinga kichaino kubwatia mangana maya korwa semesa ya Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere olionekia buna chibichana mariogi awekera senchera yobo twaerero nigakoro kwa omosai Jaimo no liato waterana komo asensemo yebimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta na inchena kueletera senchera yobwenge nigongoro kwa Nyarangi Ontita.